King Jongumsobomvu Maqoma is a legendary symbol for Xhosa resistance, having defied, defended, and defeated British rule for 55 years, the longest of any in British colonial history. The firstborn son of King Nika of the Kgagabe, he disagreed with his father giving away land and livestock to the British in exchange for military aid against his uncle Ndlambe. So he made it his lifelong mission to reclaim his ancestral lands, hoping to live peacefully within the now British-controlled neutral zone, but was subjected to frequent raids and later expelled by the British. The Xhosa and the British engaged in 9 wars over the span of 100 years. In the 6th War, also known as Hinter's War, from 1834 to 1837, Maqoma emerged as the most powerful of the Kgagabe kings. Him and Tiali forced the British to withdraw their troops as the war was becoming too expensive for them. In 1850, on Christmas Eve, Maqoma ambushed 650 British soldiers on their way to capture his half-brother King Sandile. This began the 8th War, or the War of Mlanjeni, which raised 8 battles, of which Maqoma was victorious in 7, led by his arch-nemesis Harry Smith, who once put his foot on Maqoma's neck when he tried to greet him. Maqoma called him a dog that didn't live by the values his kingdom holds in high regard. The British were forced to retreat after suffering too many casualties. Maqoma's armies would attack British strongholds, burn houses and farms of settlers, and inflict heavy losses on the forces of Sir Harry Smith. Maqoma's half-century of British defiance saw the British change 22 military commanders and 12 Cape governors. Trying to find leadership that would stop the wars, Maqoma, and bring stability to the colony. Sir Harry Smith was relieved of his duties and replaced by George Cathcart, who was able to strategically and ruthlessly hamper Maqoma's strongholds. Maqoma's resilience was rooted in his understanding of the Amatole Mountains. His strategies were so effective that they were later adopted by the Afrikaners in the Anglo-Boer War. His strategic genius, combined with the enduring spirit he has for his people, painted him as a formidable military strategist and a visionary leader who epitomized resistance against colonial oppression.